Management. We are at Lake Haven West. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room. It's real straightforward, very simple. It's a Sony smart-enabled television with a dish network, and using the turning on the television. There's the input button on the top left. There is the home button right here, which basically allows you to get to your streaming services. So if you have your Netflix, Prime, Sony, login information, Hulu, you can log in using your account, and there's a bunch of free stuff that's available out there. And then if you actually push TV, that automatically gets you to the cable service provided by Dish. And the same thing, it's under video component if you need to go down there. So just show it on there. So video component. Actually, that video component is going to be the Dish network system. So if you push TV, that's going to go through Luna, which is a slightly different service. So that is going to be different. But if we want to go to Dish network, we go to video component. Oops, passed it. Let's stop on video component. And that gets us to the Dish. So if you have any further questions while you're here, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. The number in the office, it's 208-634-0030.